guys, so today we're going to be talking about the Kat Von D's the MetalMatte Mini Shadow Palette. It looks like this. You get 10 different shadows in here. You get 5 shimmers and you get 5 mattes. So here's what it looks like. So all the shimmers kind of coincide with the mattes that they're giving you, which is pretty awesome. This palette is sold at Sephora for $39. It's one of her limited editions, but it did just come back into stock at Sephora. So I thought, why not put up a video so you guys can see if I enjoy this palette. So let me go ahead and get into the swatches real quick for you so you can see what they look like. I'm going to be swatching from lightest to darkest. Here's what those two look like. Here's what they look like on the hand. There's Thunderstruck and Bone. There's Flash and Feather. There we go. Swag and Oak. I think that's what it's called. There we go. And I didn't show you what they look like here. Raw Power and Violet. And here we go. There we go. So there is all 10 of them swatched. So those were all the swatches. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the demo of this look so you can see how all of these eyeshadows actually blend on the eye and see if this is something that you wanna pick up now that it's restocked at Sephora. So let me go ahead and get into that real quick, and then at the very end I'll give you my final decision on whether I think this is something that it's worth picking up for the $39. So I'll be back in a minute, guys. Bye. How all of the shadows actually blend. I think this is a great palette for somebody that already has a lot of different shadows and wants something from Kat Von D. I wasn't able to pick up the last MetalMatte palette that she had during the Christmas season. I think it was last Christmas. So I was pretty excited to pick this one up. These are the colors that I really like. So this is something that I will get a lot of use out of. This is going to be one of those things that you have to really like these colors in this palette in order to get a lot of use out of it. I think the shimmers in here are really nice. They blend really nice. And I don't have an issue with the mattes. I have heard that other people do have an issue with the mattes in this palette, but I haven't had any issues. They don't have no skipping. I don't have any like extra buildup. I feel like they blend really, really well. I would like to have seen, you know, a lighter pink color in here for the shimmers, you know, something like a rose pink, but not this orangey one, because that one's just a little bit darker. But other than that, I think it's a great palette and it will accompany a lot of the other palettes that I have. So I do like it. I do highly suggest it if you're thinking about picking it up. I think it's a great buy for $39. $39. I don't think you can go wrong with Kat Von D palettes ever. So I am really excited about this palette, and I'm happy that I picked it up. I've had it for like 2 months now. I've had it for a long time, and I have gotten a lot of use out of it, and I've quite liked every look that I've come up with. So I do recommend it if this is something you're thinking about. If this is not the colors that you like to use, then I wouldn't pick it up, because you'll never pick it up and use it. So like I said, it is $39. They have restocked it at Sephora recently. So yeah, I highly recommend it if you're looking for colors in this color wheel here, which I think are absolutely beautiful. So, alright guys, this is my review for the palette. Let me know if you have any questions on it. If you picked up this palette and you like it, or if you dislike it, let me know. I want to know what your guys' thoughts are on this palette down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take the time to do so now. I really appreciate it. And make sure you always throw a like on there if you can. It really does help me out. I didn't realize how much likes and subscriptions and views actually do matter. So make sure you take the time to do that if you can. And if you don't like this video, that's okay too. You don't have to do that. Alright guys, I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.